New, straight, clean. This is how the new GEMU site in Emmen in the canton of Lucerne in Switzerland presents itself. In a construction period of just 18 months, a competent centre for research and development, manufacturing and assembly of cleanroom products has been created. On a surface area of 5,300 square metres, valves and sub-assemblies for the pharmaceutical industry, microelectronics and the solar and semiconductor sector, as well as customer solutions for medical industry products, are produced under ultra-pure manufacturing conditions in accordance with ISO 8 and ISO 6. State-of-the-art injection moulding and assembly technology, combined with the experience from 30 years of plastics processing, makes this site a real quantum leap. Clear, reproducible manufacturing processes are important, in particular for medical industry products. Laboratory and disposable articles, or moulded parts for fixators and prosthesis. In Emmen, there is the optimum mould and the right plastic for all applications. Ultra-pure plastic products have long established themselves also in solar and semiconductor production, as well as in the chemical industry. The customer benefits are obvious. And another example of the application of ultra-pure plastic from Emmen, replaceable valve bodies for pilot and research facilities. The single-use design allows rapid process changing with significantly reduced risks. Customized products, process reliability and cost optimization. This is what the new GEMU cleanroom plant stands for.